The first lesson in science is Poonam's Day Out. Shall we go to the first lesson? Poonam's Day Out. Poonam is a girl, small girl. We have to go along with her and learn about animals, birds, water animals. Shall we go along with her? Okay. The first picture, you people are sitting in a classroom and I want to ask you, have you slept under any tree? Suppose if you are in a village or if you have a nice tree in front of a house, usually we'll sleep under the tree. Then when we sleep under the tree, you can observe so many things. All that I'll be asking questions and you'll be answering. Can you recall the things you saw around you? For example, if you're just going out, you can see many animals. Yes, you will be pointing out to your parents, Mommy, see peacocks there. If you're going in the township, we see lot of birds and some animals, big animals like cow, buffaloes, and we used to see inside peacocks, sometimes nice crow, pigeon, all that. Let's say you have to recall it. You have to imagine that you are in a place where we are outside on a walk with Poonam, a girl. Poonam, now Poonam looked up and saw many animals on a tree. You know, we were walking along with Poonam. Now Poonam has taken us to a tree. She sat under a tree and she was looking up. She could see many animals. We are also able to see, I think you people started telling your parents now, I could hear the voice. You can see a crow and a pigeon, monkey. There are some butterflies. All that you can point out. Yes, children? Yes. The next picture will be more clear to tell you what are the animals on the tree. Just look at both the pictures and identify the animals. Now, the second picture is more clear. And what are the animals can you see? How many of you are able to say? How many of you are saying in your mind? How many of you are sharing with your parents? Yes, many of you are correct. The first animal you spot is a monkey. Yes, everybody like to watch monkeys, no? Monkey, yes, there are some ants. Big ants are there. The black ones are there. Then you can see a squirrel, so active and going up and down. And you can see a crow and a pigeon on the top. Sparrow and butterflies. Sparrow, it's a colorful bird and sitting there, and you can see a group of butterflies. Maybe they are playing hide and seek, or they may be playing running race. Yes or no? Yes. Are you happy to see these animals on the tree? Poonam too is very happy to see these animals. She was enjoying nature. We also must enjoy nature. After school reopening, we'll all go to the park and we see whatever we are going to see. We'll just write it in a paper. We'll go to the park as a picnic, half a day picnic. Right? Are you happy, children, to see the pictures? Good. Now, to tell you something, the animals which is on the trees, mostly they will sit on the trees and they live on it. Some of them make their own homes. Some they no need to homes. They'll just sleep on the trees and they will just fly like that and come back. Birds usually they make nests, their homes. Here if you look at them, some are having long tails, some are having small, some are having very special part called wings. All these are on the trees. they may come onto the land also. Now if she's going to see around, what are the animals she's going to see around that house? We'll see in there. Some animals will walk. Example, goat, cow, buffaloes, near your house, dogs.
Why did you call again?
They will walk around. The birds, crow, pigeon, dove, all these birds, eagle, vulture, all these birds will fly from one place to another place. You must have seen some insects also have some wings, they fly around. Some animals will crawl. Crawling means going by zigzag manner. What is zigzag? It is like the shape of capital Z. They go in that way, they move from one place to another place. Some will swim. Example, water animals, fish. If you see them, they'll swim in the water. You could have seen the dolphins. All that they'll swim in the water, they'll move from one place to another place. The movement of the animals depends on their lifestyle. Some animals can walk, some animals can fly, some animals can hop, some animals fly and walk. If you take an example, if you see a horse, it's walking. Can you see a bird? It's flying. Some insects may walk, sometimes they fly. Kangaroos, rabbits and all, they hop. Just see the picture, children.